Skydio 2. Why I'm canceling my order. The reason may surprise you. Got that coming up next. October the 1st, 2019, I was fortunate enough to go ahead and place my reservation for Skydio 2 and be in production batch 1. I was eagerly looking forward to being able to get Skydio 2 and put it through its paces. Well, recently I went ahead and made the decision to go ahead and cancel the order, and I want to go ahead and give you the 4 reasons as to why I canceled the order, and I want to spend a few minutes on the last one. Now, number 1, ordering and fulfillment process. Now, Skydio had the R1 and had that, and I would think that they would have had a ordering and fulfillment process in place to be able to handle any type of volume order. Well, it was clear from the onset they did not. There was a lot of confusion over the ordering process, and there's still a lot of confusion regarding that. Number 2, what's missing? One of the biggest things that it was discovered that was missing was telemetry data. My good friend Ken Dono, Original Dobo, pointed this out in his video, and I do suggest you go ahead and check that out. And then number 3, from all the videos that I've watched, I've definitely come to the conclusion that this is an action sports type drone versus a cinematic type drone. We're all used to being able to use the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Phantom 4 Pro, other drones, and to be able to get some great cinematic shots. Its primary purpose is as an action and sports type drone. Now, number 4, the autonomy needs improvement. One of the things that I have to say is this became very apparent on Billy Kyle's latest video. There were a number of times that it was very scary as to what the Skydio 2 was going to do. One of the things that Skydio, I believe, needed to do was to do a lot more real-world beta testing. Now, they did take a lot of great mountain bikers and athletic folk and go ahead and make some great tests with this, but I think what they needed to do was they needed to take this out in a real-world environment. Question of the day: what do you think of the issues that have been found so far with Skydio 2? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted.